Welcome this video title The Ultimate Guide to Our Ground Fiberglass Pool. Durability and easy main entrance. Introducing when it come to swimming pool, homeowner have a wide range of other of choose from. One of the most popular choose is the upper ground fiberglass pool. This model marvel have gains among populars depth to its demandable areas of main interest and aesthetic appear in this comprehensive guide. We explored the world of above ground fiberglass pool, cover everything from those benefit, install main interest and design other. Chapter 1. Understand above ground fiberglass pool. Above fiberglass pool are an innovation alternate of traditional in-ground pool. Then pool are multi-phase use high quality fiberglass reinforced with rust create fat and long last century. Here are some key points to understand stood about that pool. Durability pool are renovated of those durability then are restored to create and form which are common in with other pool material likes or recreate than natural of fiberglass make it a great choice from register with intimate weather conclude. Quick install comport to in-ground pool, upper ground fiber pool often are fast and more forward install process. This can save both time and money, make theme and active other of fiberglass looked to enjoy a swimming pool sunning rain than last. Cost effectiveness. While the investment in a fiberglass pool must be high than some other type of above ground pool. The long thing cost effective come from main address are record import fiberglass pool request last charge use or hand provide main interest requirement a static fiberglass pool are available in wide range of shape, size and finish make theme high customize house owner can choose from versatile design decor to match when outdoor space restrict the pool compartment the overall aesthetic of then popular chaptering to install of upper ground fiberglass pool delivery one day side of popular the fiber pool is delivery in setting then are about of set allowing from reprise and trolling fifth of the space during this process cost mute of lot other that the pool is level security problem electric and plumbing this install proxying in view connect the pool to the renewed electric and plumber set system. This include add folklore element as well as an adding like lights and hard systems. Chapter 3 Main Interest and Care. One of the start out fitting of upper ground. Fiber pool is those laws, main enters, requirements, popular care and main enters. Then your pool remained and excellent connect of then yeah cleans reject pool clean is element is recuperate and design build pools keep and automatic pool clean can help keep the water reserve clean and the need of